Neon dripping off the puddles in the street. Broken clock still tapping out my heartbeat. I've been trading sleep for questions I can't solve, staring at the future through a cracked up revolving door. Elevator stuck between the ground and stars. Every prayer to sky is late night bar. I don't need a halo, don't need a crown, just a map for when the ceiling starts coming down. Every light bulb is wearing thin, every locked door learning how to bend. I feel something circling above the noise, like gravity has lost its voice. I'ma rise like a bird through the city smoke, feathers made of every almost broke. Cut the wires off my yesterday, turn the fall into runaway. I'ma rise like a bird when the ground says stay, make runways out of the doubt in my way. When the world keeps drawing the shorter way, I redraw it. Ooh, rise like a bird, yeah. Paper planes full of things I never said. Go leave dreams in a one-room bed. Everybody selling heaven in a line. I just want a post that feels like mine. I learned silence from the way stones wait, how lightning hesitates before it breaks. If the cage is built from what I fear, then I'm falling down every bar in here. I don't float on fame, I bleed for air. Still something in me said I belong up there. Every scar starts spelling gold in a language only wild hearts know. I'ma rise like a bird through the city smoke, feathers made of every almost broke. Cut the wires off my yesterday, turn the fall into runaway. I'ma rise like a bird when the ground says stay, make runways out of the doubt in my way. When the world keeps drawing the shorter word, I redraw it. Ooh, rise like a bird, yeah. If the sky is owned by satellites, I'll steal a corner with my own two eyes. Build a ladder out of breath and earth, blueprint written in the things I earn. No prophecy, no velvet rope, just stubborn lungs and elastic hope. If freedom's heavy, let it hurt, means I finally got something worth the work. I'ma rise like a bird over broken signs, through exit wounds and dotted lines. Turn the static into open roads, turn dead ends into afterglows. I'ma rise like a bird, crooked wings, still beating louder than reasonable things. When the